everybody, thank you so much for joining me for this video today. My name is Nicole. If you're not familiar with my channel, I'm a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark, and today I have a jewelry haul for you guys. These are all Lucky brand pieces that I recently purchased on Poshmark. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I got. Like I said, if you're not familiar with my channel, I do sell on eBay and Poshmark, so I did purchase these items to mainly resell, and I do think I'm going to be able to make a pretty good, decent amount of profit on them as long as they all sell. I generally don't sell jewelry, but I was kind of looking for some jewelry for myself, and I came across this bundle on Poshmark. I sent her an offer and she accepted, so it was really exciting. I'm really excited to show you guys everything that I got. I did get 22 pieces of jewelry. They are all the brand Lucky brand, and everything was packaged really nicely. I kind of opened it up already, but that wasn't supposed to be in there, but everything was packaged really nicely in here. Everything is new with tags, which is pretty awesome, and I'm really excited to show you guys everything I got. I did get multiples of one item, which will be really easy to list. This particular seller has a lot of designer items in her closet, so I think she mainly sells designer items, but she did have some jewelry in there and she had some bundles, and I actually messaged her after I received everything and thanked her for everything, and then I also let her know if she has anything else like similar bundles to sell, that she would tag me on them so I would know. So she obviously knew I was a reseller, I think, obviously, because there were multiples of one item in this lot, and generally someone who's just buying for themselves probably wouldn't want that. But first of all, the price was really decent. Originally the listing was for 14 pieces, and she messaged me before she sent it out and said, really sorry, but there's one pair of earrings I can't find, which I was kind of bummed out about because I was looking forward to getting them. They were like kind of like looked like a hammered sterling silver or metal like hoop earring, and I was really excited about getting those because I was going to keep them for myself. But she said, so I'm going to send you 22 items instead, and I'm like, okay. So I got almost twice as many pieces, and most of them were the necklace. There's one necklace that I got multiples of, but I'm totally okay with that because they were basically free pieces. I spent a total of $68, it was like $68.54 or something like that, on this bundle, and there's 22 pieces of jewelry, so that's a pretty decent price. It was, let's see, if I had 22, about $3 maybe per piece. Am I saying that right? I'm not sure. I'll have to do the math, but that's pretty awesome for brand new with tag items. And everything was like in a little baggie. Almost everything was, which was really awesome because that also told me that they were new. And then also the tag price. The tag for the necklaces I got multiples of was $49 MSRP, so that's pretty awesome. They're pretty cute necklaces, so I do think I'll probably be able to sell them for 20 to 25, but we'll see. I mean, I basically, a lot of it's going to be profit. Once I sell a couple pieces, I'll probably end up being into the profit, so that's pretty awesome. If you haven't been to my channel before, I do post new videos on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, so please don't forget to subscribe. I am still a baby channel. I only have like 200 to 300 subscribers, so I'm still a baby channel, and I would really love it if you would subscribe. And if you have your own channel, please let me know, and I would love to subscribe to your channel. Most of the content I post is reseller content, so if you are interested in like what sold videos, thrifting videos, like day in the life, part-time reseller videos, then you should subscribe to my channel. Anyway, let's get right into this haul. I'm really excited to show you guys everything that I got. So first of all, I thought I would show you the necklace that I got multiples of. I can't remember how many I got, but I think I got like 7 or 8 of this necklace. So it has 3 different chains, and it's got like this turquoise beads, and it's silver and like a kind of like a goldish bronzy color. But I think that this is going to be a really beautiful necklace. I'm going to keep one for myself. I originally was looking for some Lucky brand pieces because I really do like their jewelry. They have really interesting kind of, I don't know, kind of has like an Indian inspired look to them. I was looking for something in particular that would have like multiple strands, some shorter and some longer, and I happened to come across this one, so I was really excited. And when I came across her bundle, this is the second one that I'm planning on keeping. So there's 4, and then the bottom is so just like a gold and like a bronze silver. I really like this one a lot. So I am going to model probably this necklace, because I think it would sell better if it's modeled. So I'll probably have a couple listings with me modeling, and then maybe I'll probably make multiple listings. You know, on Poshmark you can do like, you can have multiple for sale in one listing. I probably won't do that, just because it's probably going to look better for Poshmark if I'm making multiple listings. I'll be able to get like almost 10 listings probably out of just that one necklace. And yeah, I'll have to upload the pictures multiple times, but I'll just copy paste the description. So this one is also that same necklace. I'll just pull this out and count them for you guys. There was a lot of them, which I was slightly bummed that a lot of the ones she gave me, you know, extra pieces, were all the same necklace. But you know what? That's just going to make my life easier, and I hope that they sell well. I don't know if I saw any of this exact one for sale online at all. Man, I got a lot of these. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 of the same necklace. I didn't even realize it was that many. So she gave me a lot of extras of that. So a lot of this haul is those necklaces, but I'm going to show you guys everything else too, because there was some other stuff in here as well. Some bracelets and stuff. Okay, this bracelet I thought was really cute. I thought about keeping this one for myself, but it has like multiple strands, and then it's magnetic, so you can just, it's magnetic, and then it also has a clasp at the end. Pretty. It's got clasp on either end as well to keep it on. This has an MSRP of $59. Doesn't want to close. Maybe this one's broken. I'll have to work on that. It does still close even with that. Here's another one. This one's an elastic and just a silver. $35 MSRP. This is a couple, 5 different bangles. They're all different. This one has turquoise, like it matches. Probably end up putting this with one of those necklaces and making it a bundle. This is an MSRP of $59 as well. Here's some more bangles. I'm really not much for bangles. I think that a lot of people don't like them because they make a lot of noise and they kind of go back and forth on your arm. I personally don't like bangles, but I know some people do. This is an MSRP of $39. It's 3 bangles. I guess I could make a couple bundles too. This one is the same as the one I just showed you. So a lot of them were similar. This one is really cute. This is MSRP of $49, which, I mean, that's pretty expensive. I think a lot of places that sell Lucky Brand jewelry, gold and silver, which is nice, probably have like sales and stuff. Okay, so the last piece is actually in a box, and it is a bracelet. It is again a magnetic, MSRP of $59. These are, this is a magnetic clasp like that first bracelet I showed you. And yeah, so that's what it looks like. So I really love selling jewelry because it's very easy to store. It's so small that it takes up hardly any space. And it's also really light to ship for like eBay. I'll probably put a couple bundles together so that there's matching bracelet with it, just because I think I'll be able to get a higher, you know, a higher price for it if there's at least 2 items together. But yeah, so I know this was a short video, guys. It was just a haul of some items that I recently purchased on Poshmark. If you're interested in any of these, please check out my Poshmark closet linked in the description, as I will have all of this listed. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget that I post new videos on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see that content. Thanks so much. We'll see you guys later. Bye!